For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Jyoti Jha. Well, now theatres are closed for over 6 months. But still, even though you can't go to theatres, the theatres can definitely come to you. How? Well, obviously through the OTT platforms. And in today's special, I'm going to tell you about top 9 much anticipated movies and shows that is all set to release on various online streaming platforms in September. Now, beginning with the film London Confidential, the film will hit your mobile screens on September 18th on the ZEE5 app. Now, talking more about the film, let me tell you that actor Moni Roy is set to make her computerized debut with ZEE5, which will release on September 18th. The film will also feature Purab Kohli, Pravesh Rana and Kulraj Randhawa. The government operative spine chiller will begin gushing from September 18th. The mystery of the film opens with one of the specialist Biren being tormented by Chinese authorities who need data about his source in a Chinese designation. Now his group is seen stressed over his catch as just a thought about the individual. There is a likewise talk about a meeting following which an infection will crush each city it hits. Seems like they are inspired by the ongoing pandemic. Now, moving on to the next film, we have Cargo. Now, Netflix has set a September 9 release date for Vikrant Massey's starrer Cargo, the Hindi language indie science fiction movie written and directed by Aarti Kadav, who is making her feature film debut. Cargo is about a demon called Prahasta who processes the dead for their rebirth. Now, Kadav came up with the idea for Cargo in 2017 after a science fiction project at Kashyap and Motwani's erstwhile Phantom Films fell through. Cargo taps into the Indian myth of Rakshasa, a demon who guides the dead through the underworld, heals them, wipes their memories, and then sends them back to the earth into a new life, essentially recycling them in the process. Now, moving on to the South Indian film V, it will hit your mobile screens on September 5th on the Amazon Prime app. Now, Mohan Krishna Indraganti directorial film V featuring Nani is all set to release on Amazon Prime on September 5. The action thriller will reportedly see Nani playing the antagonist. Apart from Nani, we also have Sudhir Babu, Niveta Thomas, Aditi Roy Haidari and Jagapati Babu in the film. The film was supposed to release in theatres for Yugadi in March but will now release on Amazon Prime Video in September 2020. Moving on to the next film, See You Soon, the Malayalam film which features Fahad Fasil has already started streaming on Amazon Prime from September 1st. See You Soon is a gripping drama about a software engineer from Kerala who has to help his Dubai-based cousin in finding his missing fiancée after she leaves behind a video-based suicide note. Now, what sets See You Soon apart from all the other upcoming movies on Amazon Prime Video in September 2020 is that the entire movie has been shot with a phone camera in a controlled and restricted environment during the lockdown. We also have the Hollywood web series The Boys Season 2 streaming on Amazon Prime from September 4th. The Boys Season 2 will put the characters under expanded tension. The famous Amazon arrangement offers a turn on the conventional superhuman story. Rather than those with powers being characteristically acceptable, they are ethically degenerate. The Boys is one of the Decoration's most watched shows, with Season 1 gaining to great extent show surveys. Season 2 will debut on September 4, while Season 3 has just been arranged also. Up next, we have The Devil All the Time streaming on Netflix from September 16th. Now, The Devil All the Time is an upcoming American spine thriller film dependent on the novel of a similar name by Donald Ray Pollock, coordinated and co-composed by Antonio Campos and delivered by Jake Gyllenhaal and Randall Foster. The film stars an outfit cast involving Tom Holland, Robert Pattinson and many others. Moving on to Enola Holmes, the movie will stream on Netflix from September 23rd. Now, Enola Holmes is an upcoming riddle film dependent on the book arrangement of a similar name by Nancy Springer. The movie, which focuses upon the young sister of an effectively well-known Sherlock Holmes, is coordinated by Harry Bradbury and composed by Jack Thorne. Millie Bobby Brown stars as the title character. Henry Cavill, Sam Claflin, Adil Akhtar, Fiona Shaw, Frances de la Tour, Louis Patridge, Susie Wokoma and Helena Bonham Carter show up in supporting jobs. Well, I really loved Millie Bobby Brown's acting in the web series Stranger Things, and I'm really excited to watch the film on 23rd of September on Netflix. We also have Utopia releasing on Amazon Prime on September 25th. The multi-starrer web series Utopia, a thriller drama, releasing soon on Amazon Prime Video. The series is set to have 8 episodes. The official trailer of Utopia was recently released by the makers along with its streaming date on the OTT platform. The trailer shows that the world becomes a deadly place when events in a book called Utopia turn out to be true. The book is about a genius scientist who made horrible viruses. Last but not the least, we have Holly Slept Over streaming on Amazon Prime on September 18th. Remember Natalie Emmanuel, who played Missandei in Game of Thrones? Well, she is playing a possible third wheel in a film called Holly Slept Over. It tells the story of a couple, Audrey and Noel, whose marriage seems to be lacking the spark. However, when Audrey confesses to her husband of having slept with her college roommate Holly, things take a spicy turn. Now, what exactly happens will be revealed to you on September 18th on Amazon Prime. Well, we have too many options in the bucket to look forward to when it comes to online streaming platforms. However, I am planning to watch them all. Let me know what movie or show are you excited about and why in the comment section. In the meantime, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thank you for watching.